Hi guys, I am doing something that I haven't done in a super long time, a thrift haul. I have like 4 bags here. I don't want to be rattling bags like crazy, but I kind of want to get through and show you the things that I got. The first thing that I'm going to pull out of this bag is something that's for my dog. My dog loves to eat stuffed animals, so I picked this up. It was half price on pink tickets, so this would have been 99 cents. And I'm probably just going to let him have it in a second here. I'll probably cut the eyes out for him so that he doesn't choke on them. And then I will let him, he'll love this because it has a beak. And then the wings. So he loves like getting after the little appendages and eating them. It's hysterical. So I'll give that to him in a minute. The next thing I got was also 50% off, and I'm going to use this. I don't know what it is. I would assume it might have been meant for a planter, but I'm going to use it as a planter. So I'll be doing a tour of my deck soon as I kind of like get it together and start planting little things out there and getting my furniture out and everything. It is early May in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and I probably could have had my spring furniture out, my porch furniture on my deck, but I don't yet. It's out there. I just have to uncover it. So yeah, I'm going to use this as a planter and probably like split off one of the plants I have and replant it in here, like a smaller version of it. So I'm going to put that down on my sofa. Sorry to get out of camera view there. I'm also going to use this as a planter, but that's not its intended purpose. This is a tea kettle and it's really pretty. It's very heavy too. I might end up looking this up and if it's worth anything, because it says it has some markings on it, so I may look this up and see if it's worth possibly. How apropos, my tea kettle is boiling literally right now as I'm holding up this teapot. So if I research this and find out that it's valuable because of the markings that are on the bottom, I will not use it as a planter. But if it's just a plain old teapot, then I'm going to use it as a planter. I really am digging this like shade of pink, blush pink, I guess you call it, with green. Yeah, I just love it. So I'm gonna stop and go make myself a cup of tea and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back with some more goodies that I hauled today. Oh, I better be careful with this. So check this out. I'm so excited about this. So this is a Soda Stream machine. Now, I'm not a huge soda person, but my very best friend loves her Soda Stream machine. So I'm either just going to give this to her as a backup for her, because this looks exactly like the Soda Stream machine that she has. And it is so obvious that this is literally brand new. There's the cartridge inside of it, like it's all, like it's still in working condition. These bottles are still covered in plastic, literally like no one ever used it. So, and it was only $3.99. So I thought that that was a really good thing to pick up. So either I'm going to use it or I'm going to give it to my friend Melanie because she likes it. Or who knows, maybe my wife will want it down at the bar to make soda water with. I don't know. Then I also picked up, I got really lucky today, like with like brand new stuff. A food scale for $1.99, and it's a really nice kitchen scale. I have been using throughout my dieting a mail scale that I use to like mail packages, but this is like a food quality one, and it again is literally still covered with the original plastic and everything, so it's brand new, never used, and it was $2, so that's pretty awesome. Like I said, I got really lucky. There's obviously also a gardening theme going on. I'm getting my outdoor deck together, like I said earlier. So I got this this little, it's an Old Navy brand little coffee tin. And I have no idea if someone would use this as for real for coffee. It was 99 cents. But I'm going to take the lid off of it and I'm going to use it as a planter. I think it'll be super, super cute as a planter. And for 99 cents, you just can't beat that. So that will be a planter. More things going along with the gardening theme. I picked up this hose for $1.99. And right now I only have one garden hose, and I kind of like bring it to the back of the house or the front of the house. So I think what I'm going to do, because this is one of those ones that you can do hanging plants with. So I'm going to put this in the front of my house where I'm planning on having some hanging plants this summer. So it's pretty long. It'll be perfect for my front yard. So I'll toss that aside. And then another thing for my deck. I bought this little bench, stool. And it's really cute. It's got this like metal flower like stuck to it. It's wood. It's perfect. It looks all aged and cool. And I thought this would be perfect. It was only 99 cents to sit on my deck and then put a plant on top of it. So, I mean, imagine how cute that will look. I think it'll look adorable, and I'm super excited about it. I got 2 more household things, and then I got a couple, or 3 more. Then I got a couple of clothing items. I was really excited about this because it clearly is brand new. So this is a coffee thermos. And it's this really pretty color of blue, and it's a Stanley brand one, which is a good coffee thermos. Thermos brand are good ones too. I have a big thermos brand one, but my son borrowed it and never saw it again. So this is clearly brand new. Like you can tell, it's never been used. It's got the vacuum sealing. Yeah, it's literally, hello, never been used. And guess how much it was? 99 cents. So I thought that this would be perfect, like when I'm going like on a long drive or something, to bring some coffee along for my trip, if it's a drive that isn't super, super long. I also picked up, it's kind of ironic, oops, and I think this is the main reason why I ended up going thrifting today, was I told my nutritionist that I was going to go and thrift a air popper, because that's one of the snacks that she suggested that I try in lieu of some other snacking that I've been doing. So I got this air popper. It's Air Crazy by West Bend. And you could tell it's used very little. It was $3.99 and the pink sticker was half off. So I got it for like $2. So there is one more household item I got. It's this metal decorative bowl. I don't think it's really metal. But it was 99 cents. It's like a Target brand bowl. And it's that like hammered. So I thought that this would be really cool for a succulent garden. You know, put some dirt in it. Now, it won't have drainage, obviously. But if I put some rocks in here and then do the succulent garden over it, I think that it should be okay for succulents. So, yeah. And I'll probably put that on, like, on my deck, on the like coffee table area of my deck furniture. I think that will be pretty. And then I picked up a couple items of clothing, so I'll show you those. So I got this. It says #PGH Reads. This might be too big for me, but it might be more of like a sleeve shirt, but it's super soft cotton, and it's just it means Pittsburgh. That's the city I live in, Reads. And it's from the Carnegie Library of Pittsburgh, which is our library system here in the city. So I thought that was cool. I'll give that a wash and I'll try it out. Now, and then I also picked up 4 items of clothing actually. So I thought that this was really, really cool. This is a Banana Republic size XL. I don't even know how to explain this material. Let me see if I could see something on here. It says made in China. Oh, it's 100%. What is this? Is it Tencel? Yeah. It's that Tencel material. I don't know if you're familiar with what Tencel is. You know what I'm talking about. It's sort of like the same material. It's a little tight in the arms. But I'm hoping that once I lose a little bit more weight, this will be perfect for me. Tencel is kind of like, even though it is a really neat fabric and it hangs really well, it's not stretchy at all. So I think that this is a really good shirt, and I want it as sort of like, almost like a jacket. It's like this gray, but it's like this mineral washed color. It's really cool. Hopefully I'm explaining it right. So this is another kind of Pittsburgh thing. I don't know if you knew this, but Klondikes, the Klondike bar, what would you do? These were originally made in Pittsburgh from Isley's Ice Cream, which is like a local thing. And that doesn't, I think there's like one Isley still left in the city, but yeah, Klondike bars are a Pittsburgh thing. So I thought that that would be a cool t-shirt to wear. It just says Klondike, it has the polar bear, and it says, what would you do? You know, what would you do for a Klondike bar? And then there's one more shirt. It is this shirt by Croft and Barrow. It's a size 1X. And let's see, all these shirts were like $1.99. So it's just like a blouse. And I thought that it would be cute like on a cooler summer day. It's like the sleeves come to right there. It looks cute on. I know you can't see really like the whole picture, but it's a cute shirt. I would wear it like over top of maybe like a white undershirt with a V-neck and maybe like some jeans and sandals on a day that I just want to be casual and it's a little bit cooler. So yeah, that is all of the stuff that I found thrifting today. I'm going to upload this and I think I'm going to start doing thrift hauls on the regular because it's something that I used to be really excited about. And something that I used to really super enjoy doing. And, you know, I've lost some weight. I'm feeling pretty good. I definitely am feeling more physically able to do things. So I might start doing some thrifting and repurposing things. And I'm definitely going to be selling more things online like I used to. So yeah, so look out for more like this and just more from me in general. I love you guys. Sorry for the phone quality of this, but I'm just using my iPhone to film it. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.